fans, and welcome back into another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Got video number 7 from our 2024 trip west. This one may be one of the highlights. We stopped at the Northern Nevada Railway Museum in Ely, Nevada, and really just wanted to check out the museum, see what all was there. Wonderful place, lots of historic buildings, lots of historic train cars. Definitely recommend if you're ever in that area, stop by and check it out. And we got really lucky. They had their locomotive number 93, which is an old steam locomotive. They had just done an excursion, and so it was sitting in the yard, still running away. And so we initially just got some video of it sitting there under power, sitting still, and then went in and checked out the museum. When we came out, they were getting ready to put the train away, or put the locomotive away. And so initially they're left going, I believe it was eastbound. And so we followed with the truck a little bit through their parking lot and got some pretty good footage from the rear of it. And really didn't know what they were doing with it, but looked at the map and realized that there was a Y just east of there. And sure enough, they had taken it down to that Y to turn it around and bring it back in into where they keep it. So a little bit about Locomotive 93. It's a 2-8-0 consolidation wheel arrangement built by the American Locomotive Company, better known as ALCO. Was built in 1909. So we're looking at about a 115-year-old locomotive. Fun fact about it, to me, was that it says here that it leads a charmed life. In 1952, 3 of the original 4 1909 Alcos were scrapped. But 93 was kept as backup power and placed on static display. After 30 years as a display piece, it was restored to operation. Began its second career hauling the excursion trains in 93. It was originally built by, or bought by, the American Smelters Security Company for copper mining in Ely, Nevada. That company was years later taken over by Kennecott, and when they shut down operations there, the town took over the operation to run a museum slash excursion trains. So really cool. First steam locomotive I've managed to get on film, so hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.